Picture this. You're chilling at your favorite spot, minding your own business. The vibe is perfect. Good music, great energy. Then, out of nowhere, she walks in, effortlessly stylish, radiating confidence, and instantly turning heads. Your heart skips a beat. Your palms start to sweat. And suddenly, you're hyper-aware of every move you make. Do you smile? Do you look away? Should you say something? Sound familiar? Here's the thing. In that moment, you're not alone. Most guys feel the exact same way. But here's the harsh truth. If you treat her like she's on a pedestal, she'll use that dynamic to her advantage. Why? Because 99% of guys already act this way around her. They put her on a throne, and in doing so, they give away all their power. Let's be real. We've all been there. You see her, and suddenly, you're not yourself anymore. You're trying too hard to impress her, laughing a little too loud at her jokes, or saying things you wouldn't normally say. And what happens? She loses interest. Why? Because she can sense the desperation. She can feel that you're not being authentic. And trust me, nothing turns a woman off faster than a guy who doesn't know his own worth. But don't worry, because today, I'm going to share 4 simple yet powerful steps to flip the script and turn the tables in your favor. These steps aren't about playing games or pretending to be someone you're not. They're about unlocking the confident, magnetic version of yourself that's already inside you. Step 1. Be a celebrity, not a fan. This is all about shifting your mindset. Stop acting like she's out of your league. Instead, carry yourself like you're the one she's lucky to meet. Think about the confidence you feel after a win. Maybe you crushed a gym set, landed a big deal, or accomplished a goal you've been working toward. In those moments, you feel unstoppable. You're calm, collected, and in control. That's the energy you need to bring to every interaction. True masculinity isn't about being aggressive or overly serious. It's about being composed and self-assured, even when she's stunning. Smile naturally, hold your ground, and let your presence speak louder than your words. When you carry yourself like a celebrity, she'll start to see you as one. Step 2. Build a full life. Let me be blunt. If your world revolves around chasing women, you'll always feel nervous and inadequate. Why? Because you're putting all your energy into something you can't control. Women can sense when a guy's life is empty, and they'll lose interest. Instead, fill your life with hobbies, passions, and goals that excite you. Whether it's sports, creative pursuits, or building a side hustle, focus on activities that make you happy and fulfilled. When your life is already vibrant and interesting, women become a complement to it, not the centerpiece. This shift will naturally make you less desperate and more attractive. Remember, confidence comes from having a life you're proud of. Step 3. Radiate dominance through confidence. Dominance isn't about control or aggression. It's about showing quiet confidence that naturally takes the lead. The easiest way to do this? Eye contact. When you look a woman directly in the eyes, it communicates volumes. It says you're not intimidated, you're genuinely present, and you're confident in who you are. Women are incredibly attuned to body language, and unwavering eye contact puts them in a position where they respond to your energy. The key is to own the moment. Don't dart your eyes away or look around. Stay focused, stay present, and let your confidence do the talking. Step 4. Master your movements. Ever notice how you fidget or shift nervously when you're around someone who makes you anxious? Maybe you adjust your clothes, move your hands unnecessarily, or shuffle your feet. These movements scream nervousness, and trust me, women pick up on it immediately. Instead, practice stillness. Stand tall, stay composed, and let your body language exude calmness. You don't need to act like a statue, but avoid unnecessary fidgeting. Nod your head when listening, use deliberate gestures, and stay focused on her words. The calmer you appear, the more control you project. And that's a magnet for attraction. The secret to confidence around women isn't about memorizing pickup lines or playing games. It's about shifting your mindset, building a life you're proud of, and owning your masculine energy. Remember, the goal isn't to impress her, it's to present yourself as someone worth knowing. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button and stick around for more tips on building confidence, improving yourself, and living life on your terms. See you in the next video.